Looky here.
Oh my goodness, Leah.
Looky there.
If you like, you could set him in the front or the back. If he's not too scared.
You want to sit up here? Well, he might push buttons.
That's okay. He can't hurt anything. As long as he doesn't start it and fly away, we're okay.
Looky here. Ooh. Looky here.
Cool.
Looky. What do you think?
Yay!
Yeah, in the helicopter, Leah. Your dream comes true, huh?
What's that got?
What's this place, Leah?
Whoa! There, you can see up through there. There you go. There. There. Hee-hee. Looky. Mm-hmm. What is that?
You touch it, huh?
He
Yeah.
can touch anything he wants.
Looky there.
He can grab a hold of that stick in front of him.
Looky there.
Grab a hold of it.
There. Take it go. What do you think?
You're flying.
Yay! See, I see this all the time go over. What do you think?
Well, I know this helicopter. I rode this
When
helicopter.
did you fly in it?
2012, December.
They take you to
St. Vincent
St. Vincent's.
Women's Hospital.
He was a preemie.
So was I.
He was not due until February.
February, but you know,
Look
came
at
early,
Mama.
like almost 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah,
He looks like he's doing great.
yeah, he's fine now. He just, he's pretty smart.
How old is he? So 2 years old?
22 months, almost 2 years.
What do you think?
He's a handsome little man.
Yeah.
You know this place, right? It's a helicopter.
But you're not used to seeing it from the inside, are you? You see it from the outside, don't you?
Would you like me to get a picture with your phone with you and him in the back?
Yeah, great.